Nanababakabalin, kumusta kayo po? Welcome to Where in Pampanga. For this vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City. And I want to introduce to you, na feature namin, shawarma and Middle Eastern food sa Tarlac City. This is Arraboo, guys. It's now available dito sa Angeles City. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Alright, so ayun, Arraboo is actually Middle Eastern cuisine, dishes, food, something like that. And located po siya across ng 7-Eleven sa Holy Angel. So ayun. It's very accessible. However, if you dine in here, siguro you're gonna enjoy like 4 or 5 seats lang, no? But again, they are still available via order and delivery or takeout. I suggest if you wanna dine here, punta kayo yung a little bit lean time. Once again, guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. So, we got our friend Timo from Tarlac. Ayun. If you remember, guys, feature natin yung Arraboo. And I think that was way back 2021.
Yeah, that's right.
I forgot the month.
Yes,
but that was a year, right?
Yeah, that was a year. I had one in Tarlac City, the first branch.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that was the first one.
Yes.
How many branches do we have right now?
We have 5 branches.
We have 5 branches.
5 branches now. We have
just mention them.
Tarlac City is the main, right? We have in Conception and Kabsa. This is in Tarlac. And we have in SM Ordaneta, food court.
Yes.
And then also we have here in Angeles City.
5th one.
As you guys will
yes. So again,
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you, man, so much.
I think, yeah, I mean, the growth means people like it.
Yes,
Diba?
definitely.
So we are introducing Arraboo dito po sa Angeles City. And we are still available via order and delivery, right?
Yeah, we have a food banda. You can also have your advance orders. You can also walk in, dine in, take out.
Yes.
We grab not yet, but soon. But right now we have a food banda. Even the other delivery services here available in Pampanga and Angeles, sorry. So you can guys,
Cool.
part it.
So let's introduce the food.
Yes.
So to those who are not yet familiar with Arraboo, diba?
Yes.
So what's the origin of our food, sir?
Okay, so we're serving here Middle Eastern cuisine.
Mm-hmm.
If you go back home, we have difference between the Indian cuisine and the Middle Eastern cuisine.
Yeah.
So what we have here first, we have the shawarmas.
Of course.
Yes, we have the chicken biryani, and then we have the chicken kabsa.
Chicken kabsa.
Yes,
Okay.
this is the national dish in Saudi Arabia.
So,
Yes,
kabsa.
right? Yes. And then we have here our gourmet beef biryani. The last time when we were in Tarlac, this wasn't yet available.
Oh.
Yes. So this is a new product.
Mm-hmm.
New product alert.
Yeah.
So yeah, and we also have a meal. Before we didn't have the meal, but now we have a meal. So every order, if you want to make it a meal, it comes with 4 pieces of cheese sambosa and a Coke or a soft drink.
All right.
Water.
And then that's for how much?
The meal or you?
The meal. Sorry.
Yeah. For every order, you just add 55 for the meal. So it's not something. You know what I mean? It's
At least it's a whole package. I mean,
Yes.
you're gonna bring it anywhere.
Yes.
This one. This is the new product alert, guys.
Yes. Beef gourmet. With some garlic in.
Yeah.
Okay.
No garlic first.
Okay.
Oh wow. What can I say?
Well, how is it?
I like it.
All right. You
Yeah.
haven't even with the garlic sauce yet.
Yeah. I mean, this is just the base, right?
Yes. Wow. Okay. Okay. I didn't know that you love food so much. Okay. Alright, well, you cannot even talk. Alright, sige.
Indian, Persian, Middle East. I love it.
Thank you, I appreciate it. This is the gourmet.
I like the gourmet.
Yeah, go ahead. And this is your garlic. Here you go. So here, what you're gonna do is dip the garlic, dip the sandwich in the garlic, and then this is how I enjoy it. Everybody has his own way.
Yeah, instead of pouring it,
yes,
you gotta dip it.
I just dip it. Yes.
Okay, let me
Okay,
just
go
taste it.
Yes, go ahead.
Oh wow, that is juicy.
Right?
It is juicy.
Yeah, man. This is different. It's the caramelized onion and the beef together with the tahini sauce.
Yeah.
It gives that combination, man.
Oh wow. And I'm impressed. The meat is so tender. It doesn't, what do you call it?
It's not chewy.
It's not chewy, yeah.
Yeah, it melts right away. It's just with your bite.
And then it has that really distinctive beef aroma flavor.
Yes.
Thanks so much.
Thank you, man,
And
so much for coming by,
congratulations.
man. Thank you so much.
So,
Appreciate it.
our location for Arraboo, Angeles City is, do you know?
Yeah, the location here near Holy Angel, tabat ng 7-Eleven.
Yes.
You can see it right away.
Yes.
You can find us in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. TikTok is always there. And then, yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
All right. So again, guys, we're still gonna enjoy this. If
Yeah.
you like the food you saw in this video, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one. We're gonna be in Urdaneta
Yes, SM Ordaneta,
soon.
food court.
All right. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out, guys.